Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today I'm with Rob and we are reviewing this laser. Product description down in the link below. But basically we want to look at how this laser makes setting tile efficient, effective, accurate, closer to perfect. Just a couple quick tips on how to use a laser level to help deliver a perfect looking backsplash tile every time. This is how we do it. You could, of course, just stack your tiles directly on the baseboard and build your way up. But if you use this laser level to double check your stacks every once in a while, you end up with a better product.
So we started with the baseboard and we leveled that with this.
Just by
because the floor is not level.
dropping the feet, or just
took
aim it
this all the
down?
way off.
Oh,
Like
just set it down.
You can't aim it down because it needs to stay.
It has to be level.
If it's not level, it beeps. But yeah, we just took it off of the tripod and set it on the floor. And knowing that the floor is not level, you see the gap over there. So I had a level base to set my tile on, but it's still, they're never perfect, especially these kind. They're just not super consistent. And they all have a little belly to them, which is super fun. You can see daylight through there.
Yeah.
But sometimes the bevel is a little more or less severe, which might push your spacer a little bit. So then instead of a spacer, you need to use one of those wedges to finely tune the line. You could just stack it up and go for it, and you'd be okay, but it wouldn't be perfect.
So this, basically you just double check it every 2 or 3, 4 courses.
Yeah.
And then
Exactly.
adjust as you need. And
Yeah, so it works. And then as we're doing the brick pattern here, I'll hit the vertical, and to start each one, like if I was doing a row here, stop it. Anyway, that's what I was saying.
Oh, is it just shouting to say it's not?
Yeah, it has to be close to level to start. So I could throw a line there so I know where this joint needs to be, and then I can set a tile there and work from each direction. So it's good for that. So that I do for each one, but mainly the horizontal is the more useful. So yeah, there's 2 horizontal lines, so you can.
That's what the H setting is.
Yeah, it's brightness.
What's
And then
vertical lines?
2 different vertical lines, yeah. So go ahead, yeah, do both. So yeah, you got the. So it could be good for framing too.
And then it came with 2 batteries?
Yeah. And a charger.
How long does the battery last?
That's a good question.
You've never had to...
Yeah, I charge them when they start getting low. I haven't let one run out yet, so I'd say a few hours, but I only have it on for a few minutes at a time. So, like at the Herberts, I used 1 battery for that entire job, and it was 2 days. So,
So it's not like drawing a lot.
I don't think so. I mean, it is, but if you have like 4 lasers going, you know, then it might be, but the batteries last for a while.
So there you have it. That is our review of this laser. Highly recommend. It's a great product, nice and bright. Definitely is going to help you with your tile install. We'll upload a couple other videos on how it helps with cabinets and a couple other things later. Stay tuned for more updates from Spirit of a Handyman.
He's got the spirit of a handyman.